Hello everyone, I am Madhumitha from ECE Department 3rd year. I am very much delightful to share my experience about the skill development initiative and value-added courses offered by our college. Our college strongly believes that learning goes beyond the classroom through various skill development activities such as industry-oriented activities, through technical workshops, hands-on trainings, entrepreneurship program, placement training, internship training. We are encouraged to build our practical knowledge along with the academic excellence. These opportunities have helped us to improve our confidence, problem-solving ability, and professional skills to meet the real-world challenges. Another remarkable initiative is the value-added courses provided across different departments. These courses are designed for the students to provide domain-specific knowledge. They help us to keep updated with the latest emerging technologies in the industrial fields. I sincerely thank our management for creating such an excellent learning environment that focuses on both academic excellence and holistic skill development.